A Clinton man charged with a murder in Waterville had a bail hearing this morning. 53-year-old Richard Hatt is accused of fatally shooting 47-year-old Stephen Killam last month. According to attorneys, Hatt believed Killam had been having an affair with his girlfriend, a theory that his own lawyers called delusional. It was also revealed in the hearing that Hatt had assaulted a man on Winter Street hours before the murder, believing it was Killam. Hatt does have a criminal history, included aggravated assault and burglary. The judge determined Hatt will continue to be held without bail.